Okay, this is my new Eastern CF RP pedals, purple, my favorite color. Unpacking. My bike is hanging from the ceiling. I'm gonna have to do another bike check, but I'm gonna unpack these. I just got them from Boyfoot Gears today. Okay. Open this shit up. Just wrapping plastic. Just plastic in there. Got this little Eastern thing. I might hang on my wall. But yeah. Got my new purple Eastern pedals. Probably can't see shit with this piece of shit video camera. It's a nice dark purple. Not that bad. I will have to do a bike check. The reason I got these pedals is because that right there. And that fucking... I hope we can see the color better, because it just was blue while I'm looking at them right now. These motherfuckers are purple. Purple as fuck, actually. Alright, peace.